Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to read and write data in the memory. And before that you should be able to understand the memory of your device. So if you open the KEIL, go to books and device data books and data sheet of your device. Okay. At first you see this page, you should go to content, scroll down. Here's the memory mapping. In this figure you can see all the address and space available on your device. So in order to write or read any data from memory, you should be able to understand the address and find out the address. And as you can see, some of the address are reserved, which means you cannot read or write any data in it. But this is not sufficient for us because we want to know all the peripheral addresses in details. So we should go to reference manual, go to content, memory map. As you can see, all the peripheral are listed here with their addresses. So if you want to write any data in the GPIOB, the starting address is this and the end of the address is this. Okay, we have learned about the memory. It's time to write some data in the flash. First of all, we should include a standard integer library, stdint.h, and then int8, and we want to create a pointer. We call it I. Okay, I put this star here to make the compiler sure that it's a pointer. Alright. I'll write my data here. And this is my address. First I created a variable and it's an unsigned integer 8-bit variable, and here I put the address here. Now I should write the data, what kind of data I want to put this in this address. Alright, let's say 37 and put the star here, and the star should be here. That's it. Let's build it. And no error, and the varnish is not important. And here I should check if 37 is located in this address or not. So after we build that, below it on the board, let's go to debug section. In the debug section, we program the code line by line. Let's wait. Let's go step by step. Now this address should be occupied with this data. So let's check it. Go to memory. Let me close this. memory 2 and copy this address, paste it here, and this is the address. Change it to decimal. As you can see, 37 is shown here, and it's located in this address, which means our code working properly, and we have successfully write some data in this address or any address you want. And alright, in the next video I will show you how to read the data from a specific address, so stay with me.